Hi, hello. A very good evening to one and all. As you all know, I am your Basha sir. Welcome back to our channel, Maths with Khadir sir. You know that we completed successfully our first chapter of class 10, which is real numbers. Now today we are going to start our new chapter, which is second chapter of class 10, that is polynomials. Before going to polynomials, we should know what is polynomial. This is nothing but like as you all aware about the algebraic expressions where you learned in the previous classes. Now what is polynomial? Polynomial also it is an expression where the combination of variables, constants and mathematical operations there. So what is that? Nothing but here see on the board. Today our chapter is polynomials. Polynomials. First we should understand the definition of polynomials. What is the definition? Definition is nothing but polynomials are such expressions which are made up of variables, constants and mathematical operations. And here is the main point, that is, what is that? The power of variables should be whole number. So this is polynomial. What is that? Polynomial is an expression which is made up of constants, variables and the mathematical operations, and the power of the variable should be positive. Nothing but whole numbers. You know that what is that first term? Variables. Variables are nothing but alphabets A to Z. We can use any letter. Next, constants means nothing but numbers 1 to infinity, any number. Next, mathematical operations. What are that? MO, less, minus, into. And the power of the variable should be whole number. The power of, for example, this is a variable. The power of this variable should be whole number. Whole number in the sense from 0 to infinity. Whether it is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 0 or 5. This is what? The variable power should not be a fraction. It should not be an integer, negative integer. So this is what the variable, the power of variable should be whole number. So this is about the example, the definition of polynomials. Now see such examples of polynomials. What is that? We said polynomials is an expression which is made up of constants and variables and mathematical operations, and the power of variable should be positive, whole number. Now see here, first example. What is the? Take a expression x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 5, x plus 5. Here if you observe, variables are here, constants are here, the mathematical operations are here, and the power also having only whole number. That means it is a polynomial. That means it is a polynomial. Now tell me, x power minus 2 plus 2x plus 1. Is this a polynomial? Let us see. Variables are here, mathematical operations are here, constants are here, but what is the last criteria of our polynomial? The power should be whole number. See, minus 2 is a whole number. No, it is a negative integer. So this is not a polynomial. Now let us see another example. What is that? root x plus 1. Root x plus 1. If you observe root, how can you write that? X whole power 1 by 2 plus 1. If you observe here, it is also in which form? Fraction form. That is not a whole number form. So, variable is here, operation is here, and the constant is here, but the power of the variable is not a whole number. So, it is not a polynomial. Now, let us see another one. What is that? X cube plus x cube plus root 2x plus root 2x square plus x plus 5. Is this a polynomial or not? Is this a polynomial or not? Let us see. Variable is here x, operation is here, constant is here. What should we see? The power of variable. What is the power of variable here? 3. Here 2. Here 1. So this is also polynomial. But what happened with most of the students? The most of the students, by seeing this x with root 2, they confused about that whether it is a polynomial or not. But ultimately this is a polynomial. So what are the criteria to identify whether the given expression is an polynomial or not? Nothing but first we check whether variables are there or not. Variables, and next constants, and next operations, in the sense mathematical operations. These are common for an expression, but to check whether it is a polynomial or not, this is the most important criteria, that is power of variable should be whole number. This is polynomial. So I hope you got what is polynomial. Again, I am saying polynomial is nothing but which is made up of variables, constants, and mathematical operations, and the power of the variable should be whole number. So this is about polynomial introduction. I hope you got the video. I hope you got the content of today's session. Share our videos with your classmates, with your friends, and stay tuned to our channel. Until then, see you.